Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking to express the function in the form f of g of h, where the function is h of x is the eighth root of 2 plus the absolute value of x. So the composition f of g of h, this is equal to f of g of h of x. So what we can do is we can work our way outwards from h of x. So it looks like a good starting point is where the actual variable is in this function. So the absolute value of x. So let's set h of x equal to the absolute value of x. Therefore, this is the eighth root of 2 plus h of x. Therefore, if this, moving one step outwards, is g, 2 plus h of x, if this is g of h of x, then g of x is the same thing, it's just we're taking on a value of x instead of h of x. Therefore, this is the eighth root of g of h of x. Right? Just to restate, g of x is 2 plus x. So therefore, g of h of x means it's g of the absolute value of x. So it's 2 plus the absolute value of x. So everything inside this eighth root is g of h of x. So therefore, the last step, f, has to be just the eighth root of x. And by plugging in g of h of x, you get the eighth root of g of h of x. Therefore, these are the three functions that result in this composition, capital H of x is equal to the eighth root of 2 plus the absolute value of x.